Welcome to all in SB Education Society's Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn in class 5th Mathematics chapter number 6 Angles. In this video we will learn how angles and introduction are formed and also figure out what the different types of angles are. But firstly, you need to know why we actually need them. Angles are used in building structures that won't fall apart, and even to pass the ball to the next player in soccer. Artists use angles to draw realistic pictures. Architects and designers and engineers can't do without them while designing bridges and machines. This is just the tip of the iceberg. How are angles formed? To begin with, we will try and understand how angles are formed. To begin with, we will try and understand how angles are formed. When two rays meet at a common point, an angle is formed. First ray and second ray. Angles can be classified into different types based on their measures. So, types of angles. Classifying angles. Now, let's try to classifying the angles. Let's take these two rays, one red, second blue. We will keep the red ray fixed and turn the blue one. As turn the blue ray about this common point or vertex. Color is yellow. You will notice an angle being formed here. We will draw an arc to represent it like this. This angle is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. Is called an acute angle. Greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. As we keep rotating, the size of angle increases. Take a look at this slice of pizza. It forms an acute angle. Yes? So, the angle formed by the two slanting lines of the letter V is acute too. Look at your hand and find an acute angle between two adjacent fingers. Just walk around. Go in the garden. And you are bound to make a reach of examples of acute angles. Yes? Let's move on to the next type of angle. We will rotate our blue ray until it points up straight and the angle measures 90 degrees. We have a name for an angle that it measures 90 degree. What is the name of this angle? Do you know what it is called? Right angle. Yes, a right angle. Unlike the other angles that are represented by an arc, a right angle is indicated with a little square of like this. If you notice carefully, you will find the corner of room make a right angle. One good example of a right angle is letter L. The crossroad too will sure remind you of right angles. You just need to look around. And you may find hundreds of examples to add onto your list of right angles. Yes, Moving on. Let's rotate our blue ray past 90 degree. Now this angle formed here, as you can see, is large than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees. This is an obtuse angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. The name of angle is, this is an obtuse angle. Look at the angles between the blades of a windmill. They measure somewhere between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Therefore, they are obtuse. The letter K has one obtuse angle here. Find an obtuse angle in the rooftop of a house. These are just a drop in the ocean of obtuse angles that surrounds you. Look around for a good uptake of examples. Next, the angle is straight angle. Up next is another important angle. Let's rotate the ray further. Now look at the two rays. They are pointing in the opposite direction, making a straight line. The angle formed here is a straight angle. It measures 180 degrees. 90 degree plus 90 degrees. Join the two right angle. A straight angle can be formed by adding two right angles. Right angle plus right angle is equal to 180 degree straight angle. You will find a straight angle when you open this fold in half table or this compact hairbrush. Now that we are pretty sure of the four basic angles. You see this? There are four basic angles, types of angles. The time is just right to get acquainted with two other angles. One is the reflex angle and another is the complete or full angle. When the blue ray moves past 180 degree and lays between 180 and 360 degrees, the angle formed is called a reflex angle. And when the blue ray completes one full rotation, the angle formed measures 360 degrees and is called a full or completely angle. In this picture, all students, this is complete angle. आपण दैनंदिन जीवनात या सर्व बेसिक अँगल्सचा वापर करतच असतो. अभ्यास झाल्यानंतर ते आपल्याला जास्त लक्षात येतं. So all students, an acute angle measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. A right angle measures actually 90 degrees. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degree, less than 180 degrees. A straight angle measures actually 180 degrees. A reflex angle, next angle is, a reflex angle measures between 180 degree and 360 degrees. Last, a complete angle. A angle is one for rotation measures exactly 360 degree. So, okay,